Did you know there is a hidden feature in Chrome browser that can save you hours? If you're a small business owner juggling with multiple tasks, well, this tip is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chrome tab groups to keep your workflow organized, save tabs in Chrome for easy access, and boost the productivity of your small business. So tab groups allow you to organize a group of open tabs by category. And this is effectively a feature that helps you keep things neat and tidy inside of Chrome, but it also helps you switch between different projects. Now, initially, when I heard of this feature, I thought, why is this even needed? Like, who needs to group tabs into actual groups? Why don't you just have the website you're working on right now open and just get your work done? But I know that from time to time, we can start to build up more tabs than we actually have time to deal with right now. And maybe you leave a tab open because it's something you've got to work on, or maybe there's a tab that you want to leave open all day long, like your calendar or your email or your chat program. And because we're doing everything online these days, tabs can eventually kind of get out of control. So I understand where you may have different areas of your life that have different collections of tabs that are open in Chrome right now. It might make sense to put them into a group. Now, what is the simplest thing that groups are used for? Well, for collapsing a number of tabs into the tab group. When you add a tab into a tab group or a collection of tabs into a tab group, you can collapse that tab group. And it means that you don't end up with having 100 tabs across the top of your screen when you've run out of space. And that typically just leads to distraction. So that's what this is really looking to solve. But there's a few other cool features that these groups have. Now, you can open up groups of tabs on different devices if they're synchronized to your Chrome profile. You can choose if you want to click on tab group and have all of them open, almost like a set of favorites that you can refer to from time to time. And what I really like is the ability to set a color or an icon by renaming the tab group. And what that will let you do is have a visual reminder of what's inside that tab group. So I know that if I want to go back to education, when I've got some time to listen to a podcast, I'll click on my small little education tab group. If I want to open up a task and get to something that's low on my priority list, but I've got time to do it because I'm sitting in an airport waiting for a flight to board, well, I'll go to my frog list and I'll look for a frog to eat. These are small features, but I've got to say, in the last couple of weeks testing out tab groups, I've found them being pretty useful. Now, I've got some different ideas of how you might choose to use groups. If you're a business owner, maybe you want to have different groups for different areas of the business, like maybe one group for your finance stuff, one group for your marketing stuff, one group for your team management stuff, one group for customer delivery. That might be a good idea if you're the kind of person who likes to batch certain tasks in the business, and then you can choose to open groups of tabs at certain times when you need to get access to them. The other way I like to think about this is to think about workspaces. Now, maybe once a month you need to do something in your banking. Maybe it's paying payroll, and for that you need to have open a certain spreadsheet with some staff timesheets. You need to have your banking open. You need to have your accounting platform open, and I don't know, maybe a chat window with your accountant or your operations manager. They would be great tabs to put into one tab group so you can invoke that workspace when you need to once a month, but for the rest of the month it can stay hiding in your tab groups, not bothering you. Remember, this isn't just about saving tabs or organizing them. This is about helping you chunk your work into batches so that you're able to be more productive. Let me know how you're using tab groups in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with.